all. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Griddle Porn. Today, our co-host Baja has a special guest star, Miss Heidi. Hi, Miss Heidi. How are you today? Would you like to say anything to the Griddlers? No? Okay. Thank you for appearing today. She's a really sweet girl. She's an older puppy. She's visiting. Okay. What are we doing today? We're griddling, of course. What a stupid question. We got some Tillamook garlic chili pepper cheddar. Cheddar cheese with chili peppers and garlic. That's right, Baja. But you don't like garlic and chili. She thinks she does. This is a Faberware knife with one of those sharpening holsters, and I don't know how well it actually works. I think it's maybe gimmicky. Anyway, I had been using all the different pre-sliced cheeses, and I hate pre. The word pre is overused if you're a regular watcher. They're sliced. They're either sliced or they're not sliced. They're not pre. Anyway, we used all the sliced cheeses, so we gotta start slicing our own just to make you guys happy. The things I go through for you. I hope you're happy. Miss Heidi's happy because there's cheese, even though she can't have this cheese. I need to get me one of those real cheese slicers eventually. But this works. Actually, I kind of like it. Gives nice thin slices. I can just pile up here. That's good cheese. Let's add a little bit more because I like it. That should be plenty, I think. That's good cheese, y'all. Okay. And we'll stick the cheese in the shade there. Let's get our slices kind of sort of sorted. I've got the griddle on low. Looks like I need to do a little bit of seasoning. Anyway, I buttered. I didn't pre-butter. I buttered. Mayonnaise is good. One of my things lately has been ranch, which makes it really good. But I don't want the ranch to. I want a true taste of this cheese. I don't want it altered by the ranch. In the future sandwich, I may use ranch. But yeah, I want to taste the cheese. Griddled cheese porn, right? Right, Heidi? Yes. You're a sweet girl. And Baja's a good host, even though she's jealous. She won't even share her tennis ball. She'll share anything else except her tennis ball. Anyway, should we take a peek? Ooh, look at that butter melting. Doesn't that look good? I almost grabbed one of my prop spatulas. I don't know why. Okay, time to flip. Are you ready? That's gonna fall. How about now? Ooh, could have cooked it a little bit longer on that side, but it'll do. Let's pause for this important puppy message. Okay. Thanks for watching the Puppy News Network. I'm going to pause it so you're not sitting through the boring parts this time. And welcome back from that brief hiatus. You can see the boring parts are done. We have liftoff. We have achieved cheesiness. We are at prime toastyhood. Let's turn these off. I got some cleaning to do. Look how yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy. That. Let's take a bite, shall we? Oh, even better. Let's slice this. Yeah, it's not a perfect cut, but it's a cut. Oh yeah, looky there. Ain't that just the prettiest thing you ever saw? Sure it is. Don't argue. That's a good sandwich. Not as spicy as I was hoping, but it's good cheese. So that's today's episode of Griddling with a View. Griddled cheese porn with a view. A special guest star, Heidi. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come back and have a great day.